Hold on.
366.
Every time, no, man. No. You can't call me that when I'm doing that kind of work. Scientist.
Scientist.
I'm going to put him on, put on my white suit. And some chemistry box. I want to kill him.
Badness.
Right, you know.
Blessing.
Yeah,
Active people.
Fully.
Work time. So I put on a little pipe there. The little one I put on.
Which one?
yeah.
I have to do the angle first. Get the pipe settings right. Get the pipe
the other one.
and build.
The other one you talk?
Any one of them.
Oh.
I need whichever one to go in, I need the ring pan the one they know to work with. Get the pipe lock in properly, sit down in, so we can get it right about. I don't want to exhaust gas a leak out now with tally from the behind it. The man behind you for smell the pressure, the brother man, not different.
Yeah, here the man don't talk.
Well, GT man don't say you get alright to bring junk.
Bring the car. I'm not car.
You must see to bring junk.
Okay. So how we drop it, people?
The man, so yeah.
Okay.
GT man come for junk.
I better believe.
Yeah, tighten the bolt.
Better believe.
Tighten up now, yeah.
Fully bad, man.
47. You done
Me have some already, no?
Your video,
Yeah.
didn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Line the catch.
Which I move young with the
Yeah.
Right
Just
there.
today's
He good.
Today's the bill.
Then 2 meat.
Yeah.
2 meat. The meat back.
Where say I call him? El Loco.
El loco.
Muy
Alright.
loco.
Say here.
El loco with the
El
big
Loco.
hat.
And that's you can see right there
Yeah.
by the side of the tank. El
El loco
Loco.
con el corazón grande.
Okay, talk to me.
Big hat.
Wait. Line up the train.
The chain line up for
Yeah.
Line you need to hold, I'm going to touch you. You ready?
Yeah, right there.
Alright, people. Watch that. You look on that.
look over there.
You look on the light. You watch the camera. Alright.